overlook the shirt I'm wearing. I know I've worn it lots of times in the videos, but folks, with its heat and humidity, I'm gonna stay cool. But you know what? I am driving everybody in my family, at least in the house, completely crazy. They are sick and tired of hearing me go on about, I want a drone. They're sick and tired of it. Even though they're sick and tired of it, I'm still doing it anyway. We're going to talk about drone talk. We're going to look at some beauty. Because today I bring you Gladys Russell, one of the most beautiful lakes I know of, but it's a little green. Holy! Let's go on down there. It's been a while since I made the decision I want a drone. And we're going to talk about that too, because what I'm filming up here is not normal. Look at this shot right here. Isn't that beautiful even from back here? Holy. All right, let's get up there. I said that once, didn't I? It's been said to me, you ain't even got the money for the drone, but yet you still won't stop. It's also been said to me, and this is just more than about an hour and a half ago. My youngest, he comes out, he's like, still going on about the drone, is ya? Only because I brought something up about it. And then when I was taking Angie to lunch, was at one of our favorite places to walk, the city park, and I was like, hey, we could set the drone up here, possibly, and fly down that hill and film the creek. And she's like, yeah. Because I could read her thoughts. She's like, would you shut up, Michael? My God. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, Angie, guess what? I want a drone.
Really? Would have never known.
Hey, Kitt. Hey, Bubby. Hey, Bubby, don't eat the grass. Hey, Kitt. Kitt. Hey, I just want to tell you I want a drone.
Nope.
Let's get on down here and let's look at some beauty real quick. We're going to do some more drone talking. Because you're going to probably leave it down in the comments. Michael, shut up about the drone. Let's see if we get some dramatic footage right now. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh my word. Holy. I'm betting you if I threw a stick out there, it'd probably stay right on top of this lake. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to shoot the drone way up in the air. I just say drone. Oh my God, maybe something is wrong with me. I'm going to put the camera way up in the air and we're going to do a full half a pan around. I can't believe I just said drone. I called my camera a drone. Why the hell not? All right, we're going to go way up in there, everybody. It may be hard to hear me once I get way up in the air. As high as my arm can reach. There we go. Try to hold her steady. Oh boy, we might get rained on. I see some beautiful storm clouds. I sure do, don't I? Oh man, kind of come down a little bit and go back up as high as I can and walk. There we go. You know I'm going to say it. You know I'm going to say it. Wouldn't this be the perfect place to fly a drone? You knew I was going to say it. You knew I was. I know you would. I know you knew. But let me turn you around. Once I make sure it's okay for me to fly a drone here, I can take off from right here and just fly all around this beautiful lake. Well, even if it has the moss on it, or the algae, even if it has the algae on it, that's okay. But fly it all the way down yonder, I would almost guarantee somebody's had a drone here. I'm not seeing those signs that says no drone. And this isn't DNR ran. So I would definitely do some checks. And by the way, I have been given some good information of things to do before I get a drone by some of you guys, which are my subscribers. And I thank you for that. Right now, I'm going to lay you down. We're going to make a small YouTube short. So if I ever did get a drone, You know, there's times of the day I was like, well, shoot, it ain't gonna be that long to get a drone. It ain't gonna take that long. Then there's other times of the day I was like, yeah, it may take another 6 months to a year. Even though I do have money put away for it, I don't know if my hands are gonna get sticky and I'm gonna either need the money for something. It's a lot of money, guys. It's a lot of money for something that may be like, I don't know, it's a lot of money for something I may not even be able to fly in some places. And that does have me worried. We're going to talk about the fever here in just a little bit, but just to think about coming here and flying this drone here alone. Now, would I fly it on a day like today? Probably not, because there is a little bit too much wind for my liking. Although the drone I'm looking at can handle up to 15 to 20 mile an hour wind. And I said this already, I am looking to get, let's head up top. I am looking to get a Sky Rover X1. Now, at first I wanted the controller to have a built-in screen, but I got to watching YouTube videos. And I seen this one gentleman, this one dude, have his iPad, or it might have been a tablet, for his screen. Well, I got an iPad at home. Oh yeah, and that will make it even bigger. So I'm thinking about something like that. And by some chance that doesn't work, then I use Angie's phone, because like I showed in that video the other day, look how small my phone is. It's a mini. It's tiny. I won't be able to see squat on it. I've had the fever for other things. My bigger camera had the fever for that. Maybe not as bad as what I kind of got now, but pretty darn close. I did eventually end up saving up for that. And I'm thankful I did. I don't use it on every filming location, no. It's mainly good for zooming in. I like to use it on things that is nothing but pure beauty, like waterfalls and stuff like that. Or if that humidity's getting to me. Or if I can just catch some feather friends or other animals. But guys, the drone, man, I'm telling you, it's got me baffled up here. That's all I'm thinking about all day long. I'm thinking about, well, maybe I could fly it over there, or maybe I could fly it over here. About an hour ago, we just had a major rainstorm. I think we're fixing to get wet just again. It's okay, my car's just right yonder. And from here, I just got to head to Walmart. By the way, this is not my normal filming day. To be truthful, I was going to film what I'm doing now yesterday, which was one of my filming days. But when we got up close to this area, it was pouring down the rain. So I pulled over in this lot, got out the radar. I said, wait a minute, rising sun's not getting no rain at this moment. Let's jet on over there and get them sunflowers. So we did. And shortly after we got the sunflowers, guess what? It started pouring down rain on us. Yeah, that's all it's doing here in southeastern Indiana is rain, 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 rain. I know I'm driving my family nuts, because that's all I'm talking about. Like I told my youngest, it's like, if you ever wanted something so bad you just don't know how to shut up about it, that's me. I will calm down about it, I will. What fears me the most is the more I look into it, which something landed on my bald head, which I have been looking at a lot of things. I need to start looking deeper into the laws. What I'm scared about is I'm going to find out I'm not going to be able to fly it. Oh, here comes that rain, y'all. Let's get back to the car. I do not want to get this camera wet. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm driving my family crazy about the drone talk, and I'm probably driving you all crazy too. Till next time, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here. Leave it down in the comments. Am I driving me crazy? And real quick before I leave here, you all want me to bring back the driving, the back roads, Indiana back road driving? If you do, leave it down there. And if I have one person that says yes, I will do it. Because I'm thinking about doing it anyway. I didn't exactly quit. I will tell you on the next back road I make why there was a gap in them. All right, guys, till then, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.